Hello everybody, welcome back. Today is my third day recording videos for you. No running today. Yeah, I know. No running, just walking though. But I'm outside again. Let's see, where am I going? In case you're wondering, I have an empty backpack on my back. I'm heading down to a supermarket near the house, about 2 miles away, or 1 mile each way. And to get some ingredients for dinner. We are cooking pho, and we don't have a few key ingredients. And so here I am. It's so beautiful out here that I don't mind at all. But no running today, just walking. Whew. So for those of you that enjoying the warm weather in California, enjoy it. You don't need to rub it in. So stop sending sunny pictures. I'm just kidding. Yeah, it's as you can see today, is actually, you can see the snow falling, and who knows when it's gonna stop, but looks like we might have one more storm coming, and then will be scattered snow the rest of the week. So we don't know when, but yeah, stuck at home a few days is not fun. So maybe it's time to go back to work or to run some more. All right, have a good day. That's all for now. Peace. Hey.